Before the first stars ever burned, before galaxies began to shimmer, the universe was dark, a quiet ocean of invisible gas, cold, still, endless. But even in that darkness, something extraordinary was already happening. In the quiet between nothing and everything, the first molecules were being born, tiny structures forming long before any sun had ever risen. This is not the story of stars. It's the story of what came before, of how the universe learned to build the ingredients of life before light itself existed. When we look through the powerful eyes of telescopes like ALMA or James Webb, we see places like the Taurus Molecular Cloud, a vast region of cold hydrogen gas a few hundred light-years away. It's not a place of fire or light. It's a cradle of silence. Temperatures barely above absolute zero. No stars, no warmth, just cosmic dust drifting like ash in the void. And yet, within that frozen emptiness, chemistry is alive. Atoms cling together. Simple molecules like water, H2O, carbon monoxide, CO, and methanol, CH3OH, begin to form, not in laboratories, not on planets, but in the darkness of space itself. It seems impossible. How can molecules, the building blocks of life, exist in places colder than any winter on Earth? The answer is hidden on the surface of dust grains, tiny cosmic specks smaller than smoke, coated with frozen gases. When a wandering hydrogen atom lands on a grain of dust, it doesn't float away. It sticks, it bonds, and then another atom joins, and another. In slow motion, over thousands of years, atoms begin to assemble the simplest molecules of the universe. From the emptiness, matter begins to organize itself, patiently, silently, without light. But the real wonder lies in what telescopes are finding now. In regions like the Taurus Cloud, astronomers have detected complex organic molecules, formic acid, formaldehyde, even precursors to amino acids, substances that are part of the chemistry of life, all forming before any star was born. It's as if the universe was rehearsing the recipe for biology before even lighting its first flame. When the first stars eventually ignite, their heat and radiation will blast through these clouds, cooking and scattering these newborn molecules across space. Some will be destroyed. Others will cling to asteroids and comets, ready to seed new worlds in the billions of years to come. If this sounds familiar, it should, because the atoms in your body, the oxygen in your lungs, the carbon in your skin, once drifted in such a molecular cloud. Before there was Earth, before there was sunlight, you were a whisper of chemistry in the dark. The Taurus Molecular Cloud is not just a place out there. It's a memory of what we all were, and a promise of what still might be. Every time a new star is born, it carries the molecules of ancient clouds within it, and when those stars die, they return those ingredients to the cosmos again. It's a cycle older than time as we know it, a cosmic heartbeat repeating across billions of years. So, when you look up at the night sky, remember, you're not just seeing stars, you're seeing chemistry remembering itself. The same molecules that formed in silence long before the dawn of light are now within you, thinking, feeling, wondering.